Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about success, what success really is. And a lot of people are running behind success blindly, and when they fail miserably, or sometimes they get into a kind of situation where they are not successful and they feel sad about it. So success is nothing but limiting yourself. So जब भी मैं बोलता हूँ सक्सेस आपको लिमिट कर रही है, रिमेंबर यू आर इन्फिनाइट पावर एनर्जी. जो भी आप एक सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन देते हो, दैट इज वे टू स्मॉलर इन दिस यूनिवर्स. I won't say if you want to be successful. I would say like what success really means. What success really means. So success doesn't mean that I am successful. I have car. I have one house. I have fame. It doesn't mean that I am successful. It simply means that you have a good life. And successful being in a profession, basically people say that I am successful in my profession. Yes, you are successful, but look at the legends, then who they are successful, or they are way more than that. तो अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल वर्ड कोई घोट घोट के पिला रहा है तो उसे मत पिए, क्योंकि सक्सेसफुल एक जस्ट वर्ड है. आप सक्सेसफुल हैं अगर आपके पास बेसिक नेसेसिटीज है. यू आर ऑलरेडी सक्सेसफुल. बेसिकली सक्सेसफुल एक वर्ड बना दिया गया आजकल लोगों को प्रेशराइज करने के लिए, दैट दे आस्क यू टू बिकम प्रोफेशनल फर्स्ट एंड दे देन यू वांट यू टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल. सक्सेसफुल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज द सीलिंग. अगर आप रूफ को देखते हैं, दैट इज बीइंग सक्सेस. But if you want to do something greater in life, serve the purpose. The purpose why you are working is to serve others. अगर आपके अंदर कोई भी टैलेंट है, आपके अंदर कोई भी क्वालिटी है, so start serving that to other people. So that is more, and serve till eternity. Like you don't stop after being successful. आपको करते रहना. That will give you much more than success. अगर सक्सेस सीलिंग है तो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, सर्विंग अदर इज द यूनिवर्स. सो अगर आप एक सक्सेस के पीछे भाग रहे हैं लाइफ में, सो आई वुड से दैट नो, यू डोंट हैव टू रन बिहाइंड सक्सेस. Just keep doing great work, keep giving your 100% into everything, and the success will run behind you basically. So you don't have to run behind success. Actually, success will run behind you. It's just a mere word. Like my friend says, finishing reading a book is also a success. So limit yourself and the definition of success till there. And I would say there are more greater things in life that are bigger than being successful. सो गाइज, सक्सेसफुल खाली फेम से नहीं होगा. सक्सेसफुल आपके प्रोफेशन से नहीं होगा जो आप काम करते हैं. सक्सेसफुल आप अपनी वांट से नहीं होंगे. सक्सेसफुल इज जस्ट अ वर्ड. डोंट मेक इट on your life like it's everything. Everyone is successful. I am successful, you are successful, everyone around you is successful, and they are successful at many things. Maybe they need to do more things to climb up the ladder, but that ladder is not success. That ladder, one step is just success. Okay, so don't make success something over your head, and then if you don't become successful you will die or something. No, it's not like that. आपको successful के अलावा अपने जो भी आपका पर्पस है फॉर व्हाट यू आर लिविंग, यू नीड टू बी डूइंग दैट. सो अगर आपको कोई बोलता है भाई सक्सेसफुल होना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो आई वुड से नो, सक्सेस इज जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. एंड सेम वे प्रोफेशनलिज्म. पीपल से यू आर नॉट प्रोफेशनल, you don't work like a professional, you have earrings and you are coming for an interview. So I would say that looks doesn't really matter. If a person have one talent, a particular talent, and he keeps working on it, he will have expertise. And being professional is a way of obliging others. So like मैंने मेरे बहुत सारे client हैं, they just say that you are not professional. So I would say like for what I am not professional, you give me the money, I am working according to the way I want to work. आप मुझे मत बताइए कि आप प्रोफेशनल है कि नहीं है. प्रोफेशनलिज्म इज लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ मॉडर्न स्लेवरी. इट्स अ वर्ड ऑफ मॉडर्न स्लेवरी. They will first make you professional, then they will make you run behind success, and the success is too small in the world that if you keep running behind it, I don't think it will take you anywhere. So right now these people in corporate are using the word professional, and they are using it very strong. Every time that a person doesn't is not able to achieve its target, they say that you are not professional. What do you mean by you are not professional? He was supposed to be working for his money or his compensation, and if you are not providing enough compensation, obviously he will not be professional. Why would he be a professional if you are not paying enough? And anyways, even if you have given money, the main work is to get the work done. I understand ethics, I understand the way is to be way with other people to do things, it needs to be correct. Like अगर आप कोई भी चीज कर रहे हैं, so it needs to be in a correctly way, that you don't disrespect the other person, you don't abuse. Other than that, being professional, yeah, a little bit good things take time. अगर आपका एक लाइन बोल रहा है, why you cannot do it today? So maybe you are working on something that is far more greater, far more brilliant, far more innovative, and your work is stands out with the rest of the crowd. You don't have to be professional then. You just keep doing your work. This success and professionalism, these days I don't understand. I thought about it a lot. मेरे को लगा कि no, प्रोफेशनल होना जरूरी है लाइफ में. अगर आप प्रोफेशनल नहीं हैं तो आप कुछ नहीं हैं. सो गाइस, प्रोफेशनल और सक्सेसफुल होना एक पॉइंट है. अगर आप एक आर्टिस्ट हैं, यू कैन नॉट बी प्रोफेशनल. यू हैव योर आर्ट which has to speak about. The art will tell if it's professional or not. The art will tell you if it's successful or not. And by getting fame, by getting basic necessities, by getting whatever you want, you don't become successful in life. Success is just a word. Being successful in life, I would say, like, live yourself with dignity, respect, till you die. When you die, people should remember you that you have done something so incredible and so great in your life that no other successful person or a professional person can do that. So be yourself, give everything your 100% or more than 100%, and you will be doing fine. So it's very important, जो भी आप करो उसमें आप अपना 100% दो. 100 नहीं, 150% दो. Whatever your skills, your talent, you are capable of, give that 100% from your side, and be ready to serve others, and always talk nicely with ethical value. If some person is shouting at you in the office and telling you that you are not professional, then that person is not even a human to be compared to a professional. He is an animal who don't know how to talk to other people, and maybe their parents have not teach, maybe their school have not teach, maybe society have made him like one professional and one non-ethical professional, basically, who cannot even talk properly. So respect other people nearby, your juniors or your seniors. And professionalism and success are two words that really are, it kinds of pinch me every time I hear all these two words. I don't know what is the meaning of success. Being, like, if you are an actor, being like Tom Cruise is successful, so okay. I think being a legend himself, Tom Cruise could never, cross other people like Elvis Presley, and these all are legends, so they were successful in a different way. And it's not about being success, it's about how different people have served the humanity. And अगर आपको लगता है like you are successful in life, very good, keep working, and I think you will be right there wherever you are, because you are already successful. And people who want to be successful, I think you have targeted a ceiling, and after you reach ceiling you will have no idea whatsoever about your life. Start serving others and give everything your 100%. Be ethical, be respectful, no matter if you are talking to a junior or senior. And if someone is not being responsible for their work, don't tell them that you are not professional and start to shout, because that is actually you are not being professional to the other person. And first sit and think about professionalism and success. I see a lot of successful and professional people, but they don't talk nice, they don't treat other nice, and they think the world ends there if they bully me with professionalism and success. They just basically are bullying me with professionalism and success to get their work done. It's a kind of manager who tells you different things to get his work done, which is not right. Actually, the work was the work that the other person is doing, and if I want to be successful and professional, it's not like I answer to his the way he wants me to mold. I can do my work giving my 100% to the other person the way I want. And I think these days, because of coronavirus, I think working from home is also become very different and important. So working from home, I want to see how many professional people are there working from home and with the ties and everything, and still shouting at other people, telling them you are not professional. So I will just say professionalism and success is just a word. Don't take that too seriously. Don't fall into the modern slavery, and just do whatever you want to do, whatever you are great to do. Give your 100% and make sure that you respect others, you have ethical values, you don't abuse, and just that I would say that you need to respect others and give your 100%, and that's it. And someone is bullying you with professionalism and success, just don't take him too seriously. Maybe he's on a wrong path and he can never have a mind like you. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and this was little about success and professionalism I just wanted to talk to you guys about. And if you like my video, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Everywhere I am with the name of Gypsy Shiva, and we are also with the name of Canva.in, La Incredibly India, by Sai, and Too Delicious, many others. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep subscribing.